Find a motherboard to show everyone. Now, let's cut off the foot of an inline seat. Simulating this foot position burned out. Then add medium warm tin to the pads of this seat. Hot air gun 861, 450 degrees, 30 wind, blow tin. Withdraw the air gun immediately after tinizing. Blowing on it for a long time will blow the seat. Then find a scrap motherboard, by the way. Choose a similar looking seat. It doesn't matter if the length is different. It's okay if the pins look similar. Anyway, there are only a few types of inline seats. Cut. Add solder oil, hot air gun 861, 450 degrees, 30 wind. Remove one pin. Use tweezers to grip to move to the location where the missing pin of the inline seat is damaged. Place in the approximate position. Add solder oil and heat the air gun to this one pin position. Tweezers to help correct the pin position. Remove the air gun after soldering. So a broken inline seat. I used less than a penny to fix. Although the aesthetic is not strong, but strong and durable.